Good day everyone. So for today's video, we'll do a tutorial on how to properly fold and insert a formal letter into an envelope. The first step we are going to do is fold the paper from the bottom. And next is fold the upper part. Make sure that it can't be folded right away, because if you fold it and not even the edges, it can have a double crease if you do it again, and it can look dirty or informal on the letter. Fold it slightly, and if the A4 is even to the edges, now fold the A4 using your thumbnail like this. And also leave 1 or 2 inches of space so that your letterhead is visible to fold right away as it opens. Make sure there's no air that can enter, so it can be inserted into the envelope directly. So we're gonna make this like this. Now hold this letter using your thumb and also hold the envelope gently. So you start from the bottom and then like this and insert it into an envelope. Make sure you watch it clearly to understand how to do it. Like this. And close it. So that's it. Thank you for watching.